Ever wonder why most high-end cameras make you splurge? Nokia's new release is here to challenge that. With an astonishing 200MP camera and an ultra-powerful 6300 mAh battery, this phone is creating waves, but there's something even bigger happening behind the scenes. Stick around, because this might be the one feature-packed smartphone you didn't know you needed. Nokia's back in the game, and it's not playing around. The X200 Ultra 5G has people buzzing, not just for its groundbreaking 200MP camera but also for its price. Can this device really offer flagship quality features without emptying your wallet? Today, we're breaking down what makes the Nokia X200 Ultra 5G so impressive and why it's generating so much excitement. Smartphone photography has skyrocketed, and as camera quality rises, so does the cost. The challenge? Finding a phone that delivers pro-level photos without draining your bank account. With Nokia's X200 Ultra 5G, it seems like we're finally getting that sweet spot: high-quality imaging, long-lasting battery life, and premium performance, all at a price point that's, quite frankly, surprising. Let's get right into that standout feature, the 200MP camera. In a world where even high-end smartphones struggle to offer this resolution, Nokia's bringing professional-grade photography to your pocket. Imagine the level of detail a 200MP camera can capture. Whether it's stunning landscape shots or crystal-clear portraits, this phone promises to deliver. Nokia didn't stop there. They've backed it up with a 12MP ultra-wide lens for those expansive shots and a 5MP telephoto lens to capture distant objects with incredible clarity. Not to forget, the 10x zoom feature brings even the most minute details into focus without sacrificing quality. For video lovers, Nokia has equipped the X200 Ultra with HD video recording capability, ensuring you get rich, vivid footage, whether you're capturing your favorite moments or working on video content. The 10x zoom feature isn't just for photos, it enhances your videos too, making it a go-to for those who love capturing life's moments in full detail. Now, about that battery. We've all been there, our phone dies just when we need it most. Nokia aims to put an end to battery anxiety with a powerful 6300 mAh battery. This capacity doesn't just last you a day, it can stretch into the next. And the cherry on top? It comes with 45W fast charging, which means you'll get a full charge in under an hour. No more waiting around for hours to get back to 100%, you're up and running in just 55 minutes. Nokia packed a compact 5.4-inch punch-hole display into the X200 Ultra, giving it a sleek, modern look while ensuring it's easy to handle. But this isn't just any display. The 90Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and swiping feel effortless, while the 720 by 1920 resolution ensures your images, videos, and apps look vibrant. What's more, the built-in fingerprint sensor adds an extra layer of security. Without compromising the design, under the hood, the Nokia X200 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, a powerhouse known for balancing speed and efficiency. Whether you're a multitasker who juggles between apps or a mobile gamer craving smooth graphics, this processor handles it all. Coupled with the latest Android software, you can expect a seamless, lag-free experience. One size doesn't fit all, and Nokia understands that. That's why the X200 Ultra 5G comes in 3 storage configurations. You can go for the budget-friendly 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, step up to the 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, or go all in with the 8GB RAM variant. Each configuration lets you choose according to your needs and budget, ensuring you get the best of what this device has to offer. This is where Nokia's X200 Ultra 5G really shines. With all these premium features, you'd expect a hefty price tag, but Nokia has kept it surprisingly accessible. Though the exact release date isn't confirmed, the X200 Ultra is expected to launch between December 2024 and January 2025. We're looking at a flagship-level device that doesn't require flagship-level spending. This could be a game-changer. Imagine a device that ticks every box without pushing you into the premium price range. That's Nokia's bold statement with the X200 Ultra 5G, delivering a high-resolution camera, extended battery life, and versatile storage options, all wrapped into one device that challenges competitors. For years, Nokia held back, but with the X200 Ultra 5G, it's stepping forward with a purpose: to bring luxury features to a budget-conscious market. To wrap it up, Nokia's X200 Ultra 5G is more than just a smartphone, it's a response to the demand for high-quality devices that don't compromise on essential features. With a groundbreaking 200MP camera, a robust 6300 mAh battery, and customizable storage options, Nokia has struck an impressive balance between power and affordability. If you've been on the fence about upgrading or waiting for something big, the X200 Ultra 5G could be the phone you've been waiting for. Hit that subscribe button for more tech updates or check out our next video for another exciting gadget reveal.